Most people spend their entire lives chasing income in the form of salaries, paychecks, and monthly earnings, believing that higher income alone will eventually lead to financial freedom. They look for better jobs, promotions, and side hustles, hoping that more money will solve financial stress. But the wealthy often think differently because they focus less on income and more on assets that can generate income independently. Income can stop at any moment due to job loss, economic changes, or business failure, while assets can continue producing value long after they are created or acquired. This fundamental difference in thinking separates temporary earners from long-term wealth builders. Financial freedom is therefore not just about how much you earn, but about what you own and how your money works for you over time. The shift from income thinking to asset thinking is the first step toward real financial independence. The first and most powerful asset is business ownership, which allows individuals to create systems that generate value beyond their personal effort. A successful business solves real problems in the market while producing continuous cash flow and long-term growth opportunities. Unlike traditional employment, businesses are scalable, meaning they can expand without directly increasing the owner's time investment. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals built their fortunes through entrepreneurship because businesses have the ability to grow exponentially. Over time, a strong business can generate recurring income streams that continue even when the owner is not actively involved in daily operations. This makes business ownership one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in existence. It transforms effort into systems and systems into sustainable financial freedom. The second major asset is stocks, which represent partial ownership in companies operating across industries and markets around the world. When investors purchase stocks, they are essentially becoming shareholders in businesses that may grow in value over time. As companies expand, their market value can increase, allowing investors to benefit from capital appreciation. Some stocks also provide dividends, which offer regular income distributions to shareholders. This makes stocks both a growth and income-generating asset, depending on the company and investment strategy. Over long periods, stock markets have historically been one of the most effective wealth-building mechanisms available to individuals. They allow everyday investors to participate in global economic growth without needing to run a business directly. Real estate is another powerful asset that has created generational wealth across centuries and civilizations. Property investments can generate rental income while also increasing in value over time through appreciation. In addition, real estate often provides tax advantages and financial leverage opportunities that amplify returns. Investors can control large and valuable assets with relatively smaller initial capital through financing systems. This makes real estate unique because it combines cash flow, long-term growth, and financial control in a single investment category. Many wealthy individuals build significant portions of their portfolios through property ownership because it offers both stability and income potential. Real estate continues to remain one of the most trusted paths toward long-term financial security. Bonds and fixed-income investments represent the stability-focused side of wealth building, offering predictable returns and lower risk compared to other assets. When investors purchase bonds, they essentially lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. This creates a steady and reliable income stream that helps balance more volatile investments like stocks. While bonds may not generate extremely high returns, they play an important role in preserving capital and maintaining financial stability. Wealthy investors often use bonds as a foundation for risk management within diversified portfolios. Alongside this, intellectual property has become an increasingly valuable modern asset class, including books, software, music, courses, patents, and digital products. Once created, intellectual property can generate continuous income without requiring repeated effort, making it a highly scalable form of wealth. The final and perhaps most important asset is skills and knowledge, which form the foundation for acquiring all other types of wealth. Unlike physical assets, skills cannot easily be taken away and often appreciate over time as experience and expertise grow. Valuable skills increase earning potential, open new opportunities, and enable individuals to create or manage other income-generating assets. Many wealthy individuals treat education and self-development as investments rather than expenses because knowledge directly influences financial outcomes. Without strong skills, it becomes difficult to build businesses, evaluate investments, or create intellectual property effectively. This is why personal development is often considered the first real step in the wealth-building journey. Ultimately, financial freedom is not achieved through income alone, but through the consistent acquisition of assets that generate long-term value and independence.